Books club, so you can put the books on the nightstand.
Yes, that don't have to be mine.
All right, today we're gonna bring 2 end tables. It took me about 15 minutes each. They're not very difficult to put together. They got metal legs, if you guys can see that. You could put this anywhere in your end of your sofa or at the end of the table of your bed. Pretty much anywhere. These are perfect to put alarms, put your watches in, clothing. The 2 drawers are really, they were the easiest things to put together because they come pre-set up already. All you got to do is make sure they go embedded in properly. Instructions were very thorough, including the actual every screw that you have to set up. I like the actual lining of it. They have 2 different types of colors. These by themselves, let me show you how tall they are. All right, from the ground up, they're about 20 and a half actually, all right? 20 and a half off the ground, all right? From leg to top, 20 and a half, close to 20 and a half. Width, let's see, this one's about 15, a little bit over 15 and a half, all right, on this, all right? So you guys can know. Depth, it's about 12 inches. Maybe you can see that, like a foot. So plenty of clearance, plenty of space. You can put them together if you want. Separate them. Plenty of space in the inside of the drawer. All right. Top drawer. Easy to open up. You guys can see that. I like the handles. Push back in. Push out. Handles are easy accessible. Very simple to put together, like I said. And it looks beautiful in any area. It gives you good ambience to your bedroom, to your living room, pretty much anywhere you want. So hope you guys enjoy the video. All right. You could also replace this and put it by your bedside. Ready for alarm. You have your alarm, your light. You have 2 drawers. You can fill it up with socks. Any kind of clothing in there. Or valuables. Or if you want to store stuff, you can do that.